What's good, YouTube? Careless Minds here. We are back with another reaction video. Today, we are reacting to Biggie Smalls' Kick in the Door. Don't think I actually forgot. I really didn't forget the name of the song. So, without further ado, let's get into these bars.
This goes out to you. This goes out to you. You. Biggie, you. This goes out to you. This goes out to you. This goes out to you. Your reign on the top was short like leprechauns as I crush so-called willies, thugs, and rapadons. Get in that ass quick fast like Ramadan. It's that rap phenomenon. Dada. Fuck Papa. You got to call me Francis M.H. White intake like toast. So iron. Was told in shootout, stay low and keep firing. Keep extra clips for extra shit. Who's next to flip on that cat with that grip on rap? The most shady. Frankie, baby. Ain't no telling where I may be. May see me in D.C. at Howard Homecoming with my man Capone drumming fucking something. You should know my steelo. Went from 10 G's for blow to 30 G's a show to orgies with hoes I never seen before. So, Jesus, get off the notorious. Clean us before I squeeze and bust. If the beef between us, we can settle it with the chrome and metal shit. I make it hot like a kettle get. You're delicate, you better get who sent you. You still pedal shit. I got more rides than Great Adventure. Biggie,
Oh, you're gonna do it. Do it.
kick in the door, waving the 4-4. All you heard was Papa, don't hit me no more. Kick in the door, waving the 4-4. All you heard was Papa, don't hit me no more. Kick in the door, waving the 4-4. All you heard was Papa, don't hit me no more. Kick in the door, waving the 4-4. All you heard was Papa, don't hit me no more. On your mark, get set. When I spark, you wet. Look how dark you get when you're marked for death. Should I start your breath or should I let you die? In fear, you start to cry. Ask why. Lyrically, I worship. Don't front the word sick. You cursed it, but rehearse.
It sounds like he's in a rap battle. It sounds like he's in a rap battle. Like he's rapping to somebody else. In rap battles with Notorious. This goes up to all lyrical rappers. Well, goats. And like untouchable rappers, like hard to beat rappers. Don't let them go first. Don't let them go last.
I drop unexpectedly like bird shit. You herbs get stuck quickly for royalties and show money. Don't forget the publishing. I punish them. I'm done with them, son. I'm surprised you run with them. I think they got coming them. Cause they nothing but dicks. Trying to blow up my nitro and dynamite sticks. Man, that's all rock diamonds, that's sick. Got paid off my flow. Run with my own clip. Take trips to Cairo. Lay in with your bitch. I know you praying you was rich. Fucking prick. When I see you, I'ma kick in the door, waving the 4-4. All you heard was Papa, don't hit me no more. Kick in the door, waving the 4-4. All you heard was Papa, don't hit me no more. Kick in the door, waving the 4-4. All you heard was Papa, don't hit me no more. Kick in the door, waving the 4-4. All you heard was Papa, don't hit me no more. This goes out for those that choose to use disrespectful views on the king of NY. Fuck that, why try? Throw bleach in your eye, now you're brilling it. Snatch that light shit, I'm scaling it. Conscience of your nonsense. In 88, so more powder than Johnson & Johnson. Took steel like Bronson. Vigilante, you wanna get on, son? You need to ask me. Ain't no other kings in this rap thing. They siblings, nothing but my children. One shot, they disappearing. It's ill when MCs used to be on bloody shit. Took home, ready to die. Listen, study shit. Now they on some money shit. Successful out the blue. They lightweight, fragile. My 9 milli make the white shake. That's why my money never funny. And you still recouping. Stupid.
Yeah, man. Yes, man. Yes. Yo, rest in peace, B.I.G. Notorious, aka Biggie Smalls, or Biggie Smalls, aka Notorious B.I.G. That was fire. That was fire. That was not hot. That was not dope. That was not deep. That was fire. Fire. It wasn't straight bars, but it had a good amount of bars. We should react to more Biggie, man. We should react to more Biggie. Oh man, these rappers can leave you speechless, you know? And that's what we want. We want rappers to leave us speechless and not like, oh, you want me to do drugs? Drugs, alright. You want me to do steal money or brag about how much money I got? Okay. Want me to brag how many cars I got? Okay. You want me to brag about, you want me to say Gucci gang for 2 minutes? Okay. It's a one-way street, idiot. Sorry, y'all. I'm in front of my house, and the street is right here. It's a one-way street, and cars keep going down the other way, the opposite direction. It's a one-way street. Sorry that I'm doing that. Well, I'm gonna end the video right here. If you guys like the video, hit the thumbs up button and comment, and subscribe to my channel if you're new, if you want to. And as always, I will see you in the next video. So as always, close the curtain.